Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm making a unique dairy-free recipe, a delicious caramel cream. Let's get started. Cook the first quantity of sugar with the water until it caramelizes. Be sure the cups are clean and dry before adding the caramel. Let cool. Combine the eggs, sugar, salt and vanilla in a mixing bowl. Mix thoroughly, but don't whip. Scald the soy milk in a double boiler or in a saucepan over low heat. Gradually pour the milk into the egg mixture, stirring constantly. Set the baking pan on the oven shelf. Pour enough hot water into the pan around the cups to reach about as high as the level of the custard mixture. Enjoy this dairy-free silky caramel cream. If you like this recipe, please like, share and subscribe to my channel.